You need to hear this if you're a homeowner. Say goodbye to HVAC hassles with Omega's Expert Touch. With over 20 years of experience, our family-owned business ensures a seamless and energy-efficient installation, every time. From your free estimate to prompt and accurate installation, we've got you covered. Enjoy ultimate comfort in your home with Omega Cooling and Heating. Ready for your comfort upgrade? Call us today for your free estimate. Visit OmegaCoolingandHeatingKA.com or tap the link in our bio.